Welcome back, everybody. Today, our Python Puzzler challenge is to create a function that takes in a number and returns the factorial. A factorial is the product of an integer and all the integers below it. 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You might be familiar with factorials as they are used in the formulas to calculate combinations and permutations. For our first example, we create our function with the name return factorial that will take in an argument num for number. Then we create a variable named factorial and set it equal to 1. This variable will hold the running total product of the numbers multiplied together. We need to set it equal to 1 because 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Next, we create a for loop with a range. We will use the example of 5 factorial. The loop will start at 5 and count back to 1. The range can take in a start, which is inclusive, and the start will be 5, a stop, which is exclusive, and a step. The start is inclusive, which means it includes the number itself. The stop is exclusive, which means the loop will go up to, but not include the number itself. In this case, we put in 0 for the stop, so it will go to 1. The step is -1 because we want to count back from 5 to 1. So it will give us 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we use our factorial variable with the augmented or compound assignment operator of multiplication with the I from the for loop. This multiplication symbol with the equals symbol will create our running total product of 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Finally, we return the factorial variable, which will give us the factorial of any number passed to the function. Also, we can check our function by using the math package with math.factorial here. We can see that 5 factorial is 120. And here, we have some more test results. And all the results match the math factorial results. Since multiplication is commutative, we don't have to loop in reverse. This function loops forward to multiply 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. But for the most part, works the same as the function we just created. The stop number in the range is exclusive. That is why we add 1. For the last example, we have created a function that returns the factorial of a number using recursion. A recursive function calls itself until finished. We will cover recursion more in future tutorials. Join us again next time.